Fun learning classes, children. Today we are going to learn about letter M and N. Letter M and N. So let's start, children. Which letter comes after L? Let's see. Yes, which letter is this? Letter M. Uppercase letter M, lowercase letter n. M says ma. Monkey, and monkey is a funny animal. Let's sing. M says ma, monkey. M says ma, monkey. Here is a monkey for you. M says ma, monkey. Now next, let's see, what do I have with letter M? Yummy fruit. It is a summer fruit. What is this? It's a mango. It's a mango. M says ma, mango. M says ma, mango. Here is a mango for you. M says ma, mango. Now next, let's see, what do I have with letter N? You know, children, we sit on it, we do yoga. Let's see, what do I have? This is a mat. This is a mat. M says ma, mat. M says ma, mat. M says ma, mat. Here is a mat for you. M says ma, mat. Now what is this, children? It's a healthy drink. We should drink it every day. Milk. It's milk. M says ma, milk. M says ma, milk. Here is milk for you. M says ma, milk. Now next, let's see which letter comes after M. After M comes letter N. Letter N. N says na. N says na. This is uppercase letter N and this is lowercase letter n. N says na, nose. It's a body part. N says na, nose. N says na, nose. Here is a nose for you. N says na, nose. Now next, let's see, what do I have from letter N? You know, children, we need to cut our nails every day to keep ourselves clean. What do we use? What do we use to cut our nails? We use a nail cutter. We use a nail cutter. N says na, nail cutter. N says na, nail cutter. N says na, nail cutter. Here is a nail cutter for you. N says na, nail cutter. Now next, let's see, what do I have from letter N? You know, when our hands get wet or when we feel hot, when we sneeze, we use this. We use this. This is a napkin. It starts from na sound. N says na, napkin. N says na, napkin. Here is a napkin for you. N says na, napkin. Now next, let's see, what do I have from letter N? Wow, what a pretty necklace I have for me. This is a necklace. We wear it around our neck. N says na, necklace. N says na, necklace. N says na, necklace. Here is a necklace for you. N says na, necklace. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Please keep supporting for more educational videos.